Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a quick unboxing video of the MSX 84 volt, the V2 or the 2021 MSX 84 volt. So the difference between this wheel and the original MSX is the motor power has been updated to 2500. The original has the 2000 watts, and the headlights on it has been updated from the single headlight on the original to the dual T6. So let's have a look at it. Out of the box you get the regular manual that comes with the Gotway wheels, charger sent in two parts, the attachment to the 120 AC, and the brick. The difference between this and the charger for the MSP and the RS, this has like 4 pins. The other ones, they have 5 pins, I believe. And now the wheel. Kind of looks more like the MSP, because basically this is what came before it. So just a regular Gotway thingy over here, which is the magnet. Same thing with this other side. The pedal is basically like the newer versions for the RS and the MSP, but it looks a little bit much smaller. The padding on it, it's attached already. So, and 1600 watts. The dual headlights, and that's about it. This is 18x3 CST tire, but to me it looks like it's much thinner than the one on the MSP and the RS. Yeah, so it has the basic MSP, RS, MSX battery indicator over here on the LS, the back, and taillight, the normal trolley handle, stiff, still new, so. And the headlights, that's the blinking setting on it. The LEDs, they don't seem to work on this. So that has to be looked at. But it's a simple regular MSP MSX kind of wheel. So I'm gonna get the MSP and put a kind of comparison to it, because that's the closest to the MSP that I can see. The MSX. The charger, just a regular charger, 4 pins. The normal USB. So yeah, so I'm gonna get the MSP and put a kind of like a quick comparison between the two wheels. So this is the MSP high speed, 100 volts. And that is the MSX. So if you can look at the pedal, it's basically the same design, but it's much bigger on the MSP in comparison to the MSX. And the other thing, the MSP has a kill switch thingy over here for like when you lift it, and the MSX doesn't come with it. So there's that. But other than that, basically the T6 is the same. And the tire on it, see, they say it's 18 by 3, but this looks to be much thinner. I don't know if you can see it. So yeah, basically if you have an MSP or an MSX, it's basically the same thing. And just the power rating, this is 1600 watts, that's 1800, but basically it's basically the same thing other than the power. And yeah, the motor, it's 2000 watts that came with the MSP, and they say it's 2500 on this. I'm gonna test it out and kind of see if it's more torqueier. And they say the MSX is high speed, so I don't know about that. So we're gonna do a free spin the wheel and see the cutoff on it. And yeah, close this up. Go. Okay guys, so this was a quick video of the MSX84, the V2. Just another thing that I forgot is it doesn't have any speakers like the MSX and the RS, or any openings on the side. So both sides, it's just clean side panel. So you shouldn't have a lot of waterproofing issues. And the cutoff speed is at 48.5 miles an hour. So when riding this wheel under load, I think the cutoff should be around 35-ish, 36, like to play safe. So yeah, this is basically it. The LEDs, both the front and the rear, they don't work. I'm gonna have to open it and see what's wrong with it. But yeah, I'm gonna take it out for a spin, and I'm gonna let you guys know what it's like. If it's because of the motor, if it's more of the RS feel because of the motor power, or it's more like the MSP. But again, see you guys on the next video. Peace out. Bye.